The current years of the Dragon armored vehicles are filled with great re-releases of classic and sought-after kits, now made available again for decent prices. But beware your step. Research any and all kits if you want to know exactly what it is you're buying, as you cannot trust the name of a sub-series to do the work for you. For instance, 39 to 45 series. We've been looking at 39 to 45 series almost through this entire video. With Dragon you have to be aware as a buyer, and it bears repeating, even if the kits that are good are actually great in my opinion, and will provide hours of enjoyment during the build and also after the build, simply looking at and enjoying the final results. Now, happy modeling everyone, and be wary of the devious Dragon.